Hi folks, Joe here. Well, I finally got this little mini wood stove hooked up in the garage. And I can tell you, the flue pipes on this was the biggest hassle. This pipe that comes with this stove, they call it a 4-inch pipe. And it's well over 4 inches. I actually ordered more stovepipe on Amazon to go with this because I knew I was putting it in the garage. But it's not the same size, and you can't get this size pipe. Luckily, I had some pellet vent pipe left over from the install on the house. This fits it perfectly. It's a good thing, otherwise I wouldn't be hooking this up in my own little wall thimble. But you definitely got to have the pellet pipe to adapt to. Otherwise, you're not going to do it. Got a heat shield on the wall there because this thing gets pretty hot. Actually, let's see here if I can get this. As you can see, it gets right up there. But overall, this thing really will crank off the heat. This is a section of the pipe, one of the sections of the pipe that it came with. And this is the 3-inch pipe. This is that garbage galvanized stuff. But as you can see, it ain't gonna work. That's for sure. Now on this pellet pipe, it fits perfectly. So that's the only way out on this. I mean, you could buy a whole set for the pellet pipe, but this stuff's like $300 for a set. So it fits perfectly. Just like so. I didn't put a clean out in this because it was too expensive. I think I could just disconnect the pipe and clean it out that way. Made some brackets for it, hold it in place. I got 2 more pieces of stovepipe coming to replace that cheap galvanized stuff. It's like for a hot water tank. But I wanted to get this going so I can get some heat in the garage here so I can do a little work. But overall, for $100 or so, you can't beat the price. Well, you can see the paint's already starting to discolor. That's not a big surprise. But overall, it's worth $100. This garage, this part of the garage, I got half of it separated from the other part where I have my solar equipment and stuff and the batteries. I want to keep the sawdust and stuff and everything away from that. But now, I hope this helps anybody that's thinking about doing this in their garage. So, everybody, you have a good day and take care.